Hi, Melvin. How you doing? Okay, so I've got your work up here. We've got 5 iterations for the letterhead, the envelope, and the business card. Now, the one thing I want to mention is I think that, in preparation for a career in graphic design, I think it's very important for me to let you know that your sketching should really be much, much more developed than this. And the only reason I'm saying that, Melvin, is because it's a reasonable expectation that once you graduate, you get a job in a design firm or an advertising agency or a studio. Sketching is very, very important stage of that process, and sketching very realistically and in great detail is something that you should consider. Now, I know at this point, up to this point in your student career, you've probably just been using a sketching as a way to kind of take a mental inventory of your thought process as a designer. But the reason for sketching really is to communicate your ideas. Okay, so that said, we've got this envelope here and this envelope here are and this here and this are all communicating the same idea. Basically, what you're saying is you've got a mark in the lower left-hand corner. So you've got 5 iterations of almost the exact same concept here. And that's what I mean. Then you have your letterheads. I'm not real sure what's going on with the letterheads. I mean, is this a watermark in the background? Would the type go right over that? Where is the salutation area? Where does the logo, the actual logo go? What exactly? I mean, these sketches should show to a very, very high degree what the finished pieces are going to look like. So, for example, here in the business card, um, you've got the corner logo, and then you've got different orientations. That's better, I think. But still, there's still just not enough detail here in terms of sketching. I don't really think it's necessary at this point for you to resubmit any sketches. I mean, I kind of get the idea where you're going. So just take your ideas and your thoughts and my comments and really take my comments seriously moving forward. It's really, really important that you sketch with as much detail as possible. Otherwise, you're just not communicating the ideas. And I think we're borderline at that stage right here. We're just not communicating the ideas that we need to successfully ascertain the potential success of each piece here. Okay, so for that reason, I'm going to say go ahead and choose the direction you feel has the most potential and move forward accordingly. And one final thing I want to mention also is depending on what mark you decide to use, you would stick with that mark on your business card, your letterhead, and your envelope. So, for example, if you're going to use the logo with the bull, you would be sure to use that on the letterhead, use the same logo on the business card, use the same logo on the envelope. What you don't want to do is use the logo on one piece, the word mark on a second piece, and the monogram on a third piece. Those pieces are all there. They're developed. You can decide which one to use, but I recommend only using one of the 3 marks for the 3 pieces in the business stationery. That will help maintain consistency. It will also help create a visual harmony in the package itself. Okay, good job. Any questions at all, or if you need any further clarification, please let me know. Thank you.